Okay, so go to me, then go to settings, then scroll to the bottom of the page, and you have delete account under privacy. Okay. Then you're gonna log in on the website. Okay. Then go to settings. Okay, don't go to settings. Okay, I got it. And then you have delete account. You're gonna have to type goodbye and delete account. And that's it.